Welcome to the guide on NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research assistant. We'll explore the major features of this high-contrast tool designed to awaken your documents. NotebookLM takes your documents from static storage to interactive synthesis. It transforms traditional files like PDFs and Google Docs into dynamic learning materials that read and interact with you. Don't just read, talk to your documents. The AI is a personal research assistant. You can ask specific questions about your data and receive accurate answers, all while maintaining context awareness for follow-up questions. Answers are grounded strictly in your uploaded materials, not the open internet. NotebookLM provides source-based integrity, citing the exact location of information to eliminate AI hallucinations and ensure reliability. The Studio panel is dedicated to active recall, converting passive reading into active mastery. It offers specific features to test your comprehension immediately after uploading materials. The tool provides instant comprehension checks. It can instantly generate multiple-choice quizzes, typically 10 to 15 questions long, based solely on your documents with instant feedback. Master key terms effortlessly. The tool automatically extracts terms and concepts, creating Q&A-style flashcards. You can interactively flip through these cards to practice active recall and focused memorization. NotebookLM supports learning through every sense by format switching. It converts text-based files into different media formats to suit various learning styles, from audio discussions to visual mapping. Experience the podcast feature. It generates audio overviews featuring 2 distinct AI hosts discussing your content. This is ideal for auditory learning or reviewing material away from your screen. See the connections clearly. NotebookLM creates mind maps, visualizing relationships and hierarchies between concepts across your documents. This transforms linear text into spatial understanding. Organize the chaos with structured synthesis. This tool organizes dense information into manageable formats, synthesizing data from multiple sources simultaneously to reveal the bigger picture. Generate instant study guides by commanding NotebookLM to create comprehensive study notes. It organizes notes by themes and automatically aggregates relevant details from all uploaded files. Move from research to presentation. NotebookLM can transform raw notes into structured slide outlines, including main bullet points and speaker notes, ready for export to presentation software. The ecosystem of features includes conversational Q&A, active recall tools, multimedia options like audio and mind maps, and structured synthesis for guides and presentation outlines. Your new workflow awaits. Upload your first source, start the conversation, and stop searching. Start synthesizing with NotebookLM.